My concern here, though, is that one of the reasons why we like ChatGPT so much is because ChatGPT is so broad. It gives you broad answers and almost like a net neutral answer because it's taking in so many different pieces of information. So now that you're taking in specific content providers, there's the risk that the answers from ChatGPT would be skewed to those editorial boards, to those editorial views by content providers like the Financial Times. Now, I happen to like the Financial Times. I don't think there's anything expressly wrong with them. I'm not trying to get that message across. But I do think that it's something where there's a risk of overall degradation to the quality that we've come to see from ChatGPT, because now you've gone from a broad open field amount of sources that can kind of balance out all views to narrowing it down significantly. And it's possible to narrow it down so much that now the answers take on a very specific tone, a very specific outlook on the answers that it's providing you.